Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Gorhamian here with Misfit Studios as always, and we're going to be taking another look at Hitfilm Express. Today we're going to be talking about merging your audio and video files together into one, so you don't have to do it manually. Let's say you're recording audio with one device and video with the other, but your video device doesn't have a great microphone on it. So you go back to the device that's got great audio. Well, today we're going to show you how to do that. Okay, so we need to import the two files that we're going to merge or sync. So we're going to go ahead and drag the video file in and then an audio only file. Okay, so this video file of course comes with audio because it was recorded on a cell phone. That's why it's at a 90 degrees, and I can show you how to change that. And so if that ever happens to you, you can fix the problem. So we're going to go ahead and drag the video file in, audio and all, because we're going to need that to sync them up. But first, we're going to change this orientation of this. So let's go ahead and click on the video, click Controls, move your transform, pull your transform tab down, highlight the section to type in, click -90 degrees, hit Enter, and it'll flip it the right direction. All right, so now that we've got that up and down, let's go ahead and zoom in on our editor a little bit. We've got our sound wave here down at the bottom, and that's the microphone with the cell phone, and so it sounds horrid. So I actually recorded everything on a microphone too, so it's a separate device. We're gonna go bring this one down too, but before we do that, we've got to have a place to put it. So go ahead and right click audio track, insert track, and that'll actually give us another place to put, more tracks. Same with the video. If you do the same thing with the video, it'll actually add those, video tracks in. So if you want to overlap some stuff, bring your slider over to the beginning of the sound wave on the device that you want to use the audio from. We're going to go ahead and clean up the extra fat at the beginning because that's, of course, dead space. We're going to delete that. And we're going to now move our slider over to the very beginning of the sound wave. I know that sounds really weird. Okay, there we go. Bring it over to the beginning of the sound wave of the audio on the device you use to record video with, and that way you can just drag this over and snap it to there. Okay, so now we're going to highlight the video, right click, click unlink, and what that's going to do is it's going to unlink the audio and the video, so you can actually highlight the audio portion, delete that, and then you can export it from here, or you can, move it up if you wanted to. And so now it's going to have the audio of the device that you recorded your audio with and not the video. That's the long way to do it. Now, the short way is probably the easiest, most simple of ways to do it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and delete everything out of the editor because we don't need those anymore. You're going to highlight the two files that you want to sync or merge. Okay, so you're going to hold Control, click both of those, or you can, drag and select all of them too. We're going to go ahead and select both of those, right click, merge audio video, and it's just going to take a second and it'll add the merged audio video file with a third one. Of course, you can see it says merged on it. So then we can go ahead and bring that back in, and this now has the audio from one device and the video from the other device. Now this only works if both files are within, or not files, but both durations of time are within a second or so, okay? If they're more than that, then Hitfilm won't be able to differentiate the two audio files with those two. So basically what it's doing is that function is just aligning those audio files on its own and then replacing the audio file that you imported. So the mic audio only MP4 will actually be the audio on this video now. So Hitfilm is doing that for you, okay, with that function. Let's go ahead and change the orientation of that again. So there we go. So it's brought back up. So now you go ahead and export everything or cut it, do your editing as add visual effects, go into a composite shot. We can go ahead into detail on that kind of stuff at a later time. So if you guys want to see anything specific, let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more Hitfilm tutorials or anything else from Misfit Studios, and we will see you guys next time.